First at 6, the attorney for a Jupiter mother accused of locking her adopted teenage son in a small room in the garage with nothing but a mattress and a bucket now disputes what the boy told police. Good evening, I'm Todd McDermott.
And I'm Tiffany Kenny. Thank you for joining us. That woman and her husband were both arrested and are now out on bond. Our Steve King is live at the Egret Landing neighborhood in Jupiter.
Steve, the mother's attorney is making some really disturbing claims about the 14-year-old, what he said, and what he apparently has done.
Todd, that's right. The lawyer said in court that the 14-year-old suffers from reactive attachment disorder, and then the attorney sent this 2-page letter to the Jupiter Police Department saying that the boy is dangerous and disturbed. Lawyer Nellie King says the reason she's writing this letter to police is, quote, to advise of the long-standing dangerous and disturbing propensities the teenager has exhibited in multiple schools, neighborhoods, and homes toward other children and adults over the course of a number of years. It goes on to say the teen tortured animals, searched disturbing ways for girls to die, brings knives and weapons to school, draws pictures of guns, roams the house terrorizing others at night, and fantasizes about killing people. King writes that as the teen got older, his, quote, schemes got progressively more disturbing and violent. She also says there the teen has been sanctioned by school administrators for punching, cursing, stealing, and destroying school property. These claims are being made days after his adoptive parents were arrested, accused of locking him in a small room in the garage for hours at a time, making him use a bucket to go to the bathroom, and not letting him eat with the rest of his family. Local psychologist Dr. Terry Lyles says reactive attachment disorder often comes from some form of abuse.
It's a reactive condition to an unattachment, which means a child and or an adult sometime in their childhood typically did not attach to a person, i.e. a parent, a caregiver, a guardian, to feel and receive love and acceptance and care, and that can cause behavioral reactions.
Lyles says the treatment includes love and support.
It's the understanding of, listen, I need to feel safe. Young people need to feel safe more than anything else from the earliest age.
And right now that teenager and the couple's other 3 children are in the custody of the Department of Children and Families. King also said in the letter that the mother tried to get her son help, but the letter did not elaborate on what that help entailed.
Steve, there's a lot more to come in this, obviously, but the Department of Children and Families did have something to say about the allegations about what the parents did to this child.
Todd, that's right. DCF, we're still waiting to hear their reaction to the attorney's letter about the allegations against the son, but regarding the allegations against the parents, we did get this statement from DCF. Quote, the treatment this child has endured is appalling on so many accounts, and the allegations are both heinous and evil. Our department is committed to making sure no child has to endure the terrible things that have been told to investigators. Reporting live in Jupiter, Steve King, WPBF 25 News.